In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AliExpress with Easypaisa. Start by opening the AliExpress app or website and adding the products you want to your cart. When you're ready, go to checkout, confirm your delivery address, and choose your preferred shipping option. As you move to the payment page, you'll notice that Easypaisa isn't listed as a direct payment method. That's normal. AliExpress doesn't natively support it, so we'll use a reliable workaround that many shoppers in Pakistan use. The common approach is to work with a trusted local AliExpress payment service. These are third-party providers who pay on AliExpress on your behalf while you pay them through Easypaisa. Look for providers with solid reputations in local e-commerce communities. Check reviews, ask about their fee, the exchange rate they'll use, and how long they take to process payments. When you're comfortable, share your cart, total, and relevant order details so they can convert the amount into PKR and quote you the final figure. Most will send you their Easypaisa number and any reference they want you to include. It's normal for them to charge a small service fee. Now make the payment through Easypaisa. Open your Easypaisa app, go to Send Money or Pay, and enter the exact Easypaisa number provided by the service. Type in the agreed amount, including any fee, and double-check everything carefully. Transfers are hard to reverse if sent to the wrong number. When everything looks right, confirm the transaction and enter your PIN to complete it. Immediately take a clear screenshot of the payment confirmation. This will serve as your proof. Share that proof with the payment service. Send them the screenshot, the transaction ID, and any reference they requested so they can match your payment on their side. They will then complete the AliExpress payment using their own method and confirm once your order is placed. You don't need to share sensitive account passwords, just the proof of payment and the details they asked for. After they confirm the order, you'll receive an AliExpress order number. You can use that number to track your shipment directly in the app or on the website. Delivery time will depend on the shipping method you selected at checkout, so keep an eye on tracking updates. It's a good idea to save your chat history, payment proof, and the order number until your items are delivered in case you need to follow up. And that's it! You've successfully used Easypaisa to pay for an AliExpress order through a trusted local payment service.